The running doesn't sound as loud now.
It's good now.
Yeah.
So on this, the model and serial number is here on this kenmore unit, and I'm going to show you how to replace the light bulb on it. What you can do is, you see this dark color here, and one at the bottom the same. You kind of stick your hand, push on it a little bit, and then pull it out. It comes on your hand. And then you remove your light bulb. I have the new light bulb. Before you install the new light bulb, you want to make sure you hold the switch. Can you hold it for me, please? Yeah. Thank you. Because you do not want to electrocute yourself, or you can always unplug the fridge if you do this. But this is good.
That's good to know. I never thought of that, but yeah, that makes perfect sense.
Okay, now you know that the light bulb is good. You're turning it clockwise to and install it counterclockwise to remove it, and then you can put your cover back in. Just like that.
Where did you learn all this neat stuff?
It's just practice. Every day I work on these. Yeah. Release it now. Okay, so if the light is not working, then it means it's possibly we have bad switch, or possibly we have a bad socket. So the next part, no, but since it's not working, it's okay.
That's weird. That's okay though.
Did anybody work on it before? Okay, so so I saw a little bit of a spark here. That means that this light socket needs to be replaced. If I push on it hard.
Oh, look at that.
So the light socket is not good, but the light is okay now.
Is it going to be dangerous though?
No, you're completely safe. No, it's okay. Worst case, the light bulb may not work.
Okay.
So for now, it's working. You can keep using it, and in future, we can always replace that light socket. It's inexpensive
you have
part.
all the information and stuff, so
Yes.
that'd be easy peasy. Thank you for that. I
You're
appreciate
welcome,
it.
and the same light bulb is here. And make sure to use it says 15 watts, but you're using 40 watts. It's a little bit too much. It's okay. It tells you this. You can still use it, but if the original one is 15 watts, I would recommend 15-20, not 40, because 40 is a little bit too much.
I will get some, or get one.